We crept to the edge of the bushes that bordered the narrow road in front of Miss Lottie's place. She was working placidly, kneeling over the flowers, her dark hand plunged into the golden mound. Suddenly, zing! An expertly aimed stone cut the head off of one of the blossoms. "Who out there?" Miss Lottie's backside came down and her head came up as her sharp eyes searched the bushes. "You better git." We had crouched down out of sight in the bushes, where we stifled the giggles that insisted on coming. Miss Lottie gazed wearily across the road for a moment, then cautiously returned to her weeding. Zing! Joey sent a pebble into the blooms, and another marigold was beheaded. Miss Lottie was enraged now. She began struggling to her feet, leaning on a rickety cane and shouting, "Y'all go on home." Then the rest of the kids let loose with their pebbles, storming the flowers and laughing wildly and senselessly at Miss Lottie's impotent rage. She shook her stick at us and started shakily toward the road, crying, "Bastards, get along! John Burke, come help." Then I lost my head entirely, mad with the power of inciting such rage, and ran out of the bushes in the storm of pebbles, straight toward Miss Lottie, chanting madly, "Old witch, fell in a ditch, picked up a penny and thought she was rich." The children screamed with delight, dropped their pebbles, and joined the crazy dance, swarming around Miss Lottie like bees, and chanting, "Old lady witch," while she screamed curses at us. The madness lasted only a moment, for John Burke, startled at last, lurched out of his chair, and we dashed for the bushes just as Miss Lottie's cane went whizzing at my head. I did not join the merriment when the kids gathered again under the oak in our bare yard. Suddenly I was ashamed, and I did not like being ashamed. The child in me sulked and said it was all in fun, but the woman in me flinched at the thought of the malicious attack that I had led. The mood lasted all afternoon.